You want to quit. Every time you mess up, you tell yourself, this was the last time. But the next day, you're back in the same loop. Let me ask you, aren't you tired of losing to yourself? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. I'm not here to give you fake advice. I've lived this. And now I'm about to reveal 3 things that actually helped me escape my own addictions. No fluff, just real solutions. Let me ask you first, what does addiction really mean? Addiction is when you lose control over yourself, whether it's corn, smoking, sugar, or even overthinking. These things are consuming you and you don't even realize it. Bit by bit, they're pulling you away from yourself, stealing your focus, your motivation, your willpower. And the worst part, you're not even aware it's happening. You can only break this cycle under one condition. You need to start loving yourself more than you love your habit. Solution number 1, the identity switch. You'll never escape addiction if you keep calling yourself an addict. The first step is a mindset shift. Stop telling yourself, I'm trying to quit. Start saying, I'm not that person anymore. A guy who trains every day doesn't say, I'm trying to get fit. He says, I'm disciplined. You need to become the opposite of your addiction. Not someone who's trying to quit, but someone who has already evolved beyond it. Wake up every morning and say this to yourself, I don't chase pleasure. I have a purpose. Your brain will start believing whatever you repeat enough. Solution number 2, replace instead of erase. Addiction creates a void, and when you try to quit, that empty space calls you back. You can't leave that space empty. You need a new obsession, something strong enough to absorb your thoughts and energy. It could be fitness, writing, business, art. Whatever it is, it needs to become your new identity, because your brain doesn't need silence. It needs a better source of dopamine. Solution number 3, public accountability. You're weak when you fight alone, but you become strong when you're held accountable. Tell someone about your journey, a friend you trust, someone who won't judge you. Say it clearly, I'm staying clean for the next 30 days, and I'm updating you every day with honesty. Once you say that out loud, your brain takes it seriously. Your ego becomes your discipline. You start showing up not just for yourself, but for the people who are watching you. And nothing hits harder than when someone says, because of you, I'm fighting too. You're not addicted, you're powerful. You've just been using that power in the wrong place. This world is taking from you and you're giving it away without a fight. But now it's time, not just to escape addiction, but to destroy it and turn it into your mission. You're not weak. You just forgot who you are. So let me remind you, you're a creator, not a consumer. Subscribe if you think you are a creator.